Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your BMW X5 engine oil level. First, ensure your engine is warm. Let it run for at least 10 minutes. Then, park your X5 on a completely level surface. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Once these steps are complete, you'll use your iDrive system to start the electronic oil level measurement. Let's dive into the iDrive steps. Now, let's navigate through your iDrive system. From the main menu, select My Vehicle. Next, you'll choose Vehicle Status, which provides an overview of your car's current condition. Within Vehicle Status, locate and select Engine Oil. This option will lead you to the electronic oil level measurement function. It's a straightforward process to get to the right screen. Once you've selected engine oil, the iDrive screen will indicate measurement possible when the conditions are right. At this point, simply press Start Measurement to initiate the electronic oil level check. The system will then take approximately 2 minutes to perform the measurement. Be patient during this brief period, as it ensures an accurate reading of your engine's oil level. You'll see the results shortly. After the measurement is complete, your iDrive screen will display the engine oil level. An OK message confirms your oil is within the optimal range. If the level is low, add oil in small increments, perhaps 1/4 of a quart at a time, and recheck. Remember to always use the correct oil type for your BMW X5. Also, for other great deals, and to find the link for the Owala water bottle, check the description below this video. Staying hydrated is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.